In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on screen magnifier support in Google Sheets. This setting is designed to make Sheets easier to see and navigate when you're using a screen magnifier or zooming your display. It enhances focus indicators and helps keep what you're working on visible, which is especially useful on large spreadsheets or high-resolution screens. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. If you're not already signed in, make sure you're logged into the account that has the spreadsheet you want to use. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner for the small grid of squares. This is the Google Apps launcher. Click that grid to open the panel of Google Apps. From the list of apps, select Sheets. That will take you to the Google Sheets home screen, where you can see your recent files. Go ahead and open the spreadsheet you want to work with. If you're following along, any document will do. The setting we're about to enable applies per user and helps across your sheets. With your spreadsheet open, move to the top menu bar and click Tools. A drop-down menu will appear with several options that relate to editing, setup, and accessibility. From this menu, choose Accessibility. This opens a small window with accessibility preferences tailored for Google Sheets. In that window, look for the option labeled Turn on Screen Magnifier Support. Check the box next to it to enable the feature. When this is on, Sheets provides clearer visual focus and improved behavior for magnified views, making it easier to track your active cell, selections, and dialogues while you zoom. After you've checked the box, confirm your choice by clicking OK. That saves the setting immediately, and you can continue working in your spreadsheet without restarting anything. If you ever want to review or change this, just return to Tools, open Accessibility again, and adjust the checkbox. A few quick tips to get the most out of this. Screen magnifier support in Sheets works alongside your system or browser zoom, so feel free to use whatever zoom level helps you most. Because magnification reduces how much of the sheet you can see at once, consider freezing header rows or columns to keep labels visible, and rely on the name box and formula bar to stay oriented. Finally, if a collaborator shares the file with you, this accessibility setting is tied to your view, so it won't disrupt what others see. That's all there is to it. You've turned on screen magnifier support in Google Sheets, making your workspace clearer and more comfortable to navigate.